Hey, welcome to ClearSpot. What if I told you that agrivoltaic systems can boost land use efficiency by 60–70% compared to traditional setups? Or that horizontal single axis tracker systems can deliver 91% of the light apple trees need while generating solar power? Or that AI powered monitoring can recommend the ideal crops to plant beneath solar panels based on real time light measurements? Welcome to the future of farming and energy, where intelligent monitoring systems in agrivoltaics are revolutionizing how we manage land, power, and food. In today's video, we'll explore the transformative impact of agrivoltaic systems, cutting-edge monitoring techniques using AI and IoT, real-world examples from France, Germany, Japan, and more key economic and sustainability metrics, the role of data, safety, and smart grids in implementation. Agrivoltaics isn't just about installing solar panels over farmland. It's about solving a complex equation, balancing crop health and food productivity with energy yield. Why monitoring is more complex in agri-PV? Traditional solar systems focus on maximizing energy output. Agrivoltaic systems, however, must account for soil moisture, crop light needs, wind protection, and farming schedules. This requires comprehensive monitoring tools that balance irradiance distribution, plant stress levels, temperature and humidity, panel orientation versus crop shade. Because farm workers operate beneath panels, safety is paramount. Solar Power Europe recommends module-level power electronics, MLPEs, to reduce risks of electric shocks and fires. SolarEdge's Safe DC team lowers voltage to safe levels within minutes after shutdown, ensuring protection for workers, crops, and livestock. AI-powered optimization. Modern agrivoltaic systems employ AI to analyze data and recommend suitable crops based on light levels. Adjust irrigation schedules, predict stress or disease conditions, suggest optimal planting harvesting times. This AI-driven approach turns raw monitoring data into actionable insights. Dynamic tracking systems. In Germany, researchers simulated orchard productivity under various tracking strategies. Single-axis solar tracking allowed apple trees to receive 91% of their required light, while only sacrificing 20% of the solar system's energy output. That's optimization in action. Microclimate monitoring. Agri-PV systems influence local climates under the panels. Sensors measure soil moisture and temperature, wind speed, relative humidity, photosynthetically active radiation, PAR. In Australia, researchers discovered increased moisture retention and reduced heat stress for livestock due to solar panel shading, an example of climate resilience in action. Roussillon, France, vineyards and solar panels. A 50-hectare vineyard optimized both grape quality and solar yield. Strategically placed panels shaded grapes, improving taste while reducing water use. Real-time monitoring tracked grape sugar levels, leaf moisture panel efficiency. Germany, solar grazing with sheep. Solar panels offered shade for grazing sheep, who in turn controlled weed growth. Sensors monitored animal movement, grass regrowth rates, energy production. This synergy reduced herbicide use and improved animal welfare. Japan, ginger farming. Under panels, Japanese farmers grew premium ginger under semi-transparent panels. Crop-specific sensors tracked root temperature, shading patterns, yield per square meter. Monitoring helped fine-tune the light-to-yield ratio. Holistic data systems, agri-PV farms collect and centralize sensor data. Soil moisture sensors. Drones capturing thermal and visual imagery. IoT-connected weather stations, Platforms like SolarEdge aggregate this into dashboards for farmers and solar operators, enabling real-time insights and alerts. Predictive analytics, historical performance plus weather forecasts equal smarter decisions. For example, adjusting watering based on cloud cover predictions, forecasting crop yield versus energy trade-offs, timing harvests based on radiation exposure. Predictive models help farmers act, not react. Water monitoring and conservation panels reduce evaporation and shade crops. Studies show up to 29% less water use under solar panels, 20% lower temperatures in shaded soil. This makes agri-PV a vital solution in drought-prone regions. The future of farming is solar-powered, sensor-connected, and data-optimized. Agrivoltaics has proven that we don't need to choose between food or energy. We can have both. As global food and energy demands surge, Agri-PV with intelligent monitoring offers a path forward, one where every square meter of land is used smarter, safer, and more sustainably. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.